everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz. As you can already see, I started setting up this week and everything went disastrously wrong and apparently things did not get filmed. So anyway, I'm just going to cover what I've done so far and then we're going to keep going through our week and I'll hand you over to a voiceover for that part. So I'm using my tea time kit from my shop this week. I actually ended up printing off only basically a mini kit's worth. So I only printed off the first 2 pages of my kit, so I don't have as many half boxes and quarter boxes, and I don't have the icons, but I figured that I can pull those from other places. So this is the bottom washi I've already put on, the date covers. So the date dots are on the icon page, so I just wrote in the dates. This is some washi tape from Michaels. It comes on a roll like this. And then I set up my sidebar with a full box, a couple habit trackers. This is going to be my self-care. So what did I do each day that was self-care like? And then this was a to-do list. And then I was trying to write neatly, but obviously sometimes that worked better than others. So this stuff going down Monday, this is all from the kit. And then this sticker and this sticker come from this Let's Planner set that you can buy at Dollar Tree. And then these things also come from the kit. Excuse me. Anyway, so I'm going to film the rest of this and hand you over to a voiceover to explain the rest of the week. Alright, so as you can see, I'm starting to pull in some stuff from the kit. I put down another full box and then a to-do list. I'm doing a little bit of color blocking this week, not totally, but I'm doing my best. I'm just filling in a bunch of random tasks I had. A lot of it was related to teaching and my job search, but I filled in a couple other things. And then I put under the today section, I was looking for an appropriate sticker for us going out to dinner. I looked through that Dollar Tree book, and then I was also looking through some Agenda 52 ones from Hobby Lobby. And I was struggling a bit, so I eventually just picked a heart. And then I was also trying to find something to go above. I'm not sure that I ever succeeded with that, to be totally honest. I ended up finding something from Dollar Tree. I just wrote an appointment with my doctor, and then I took another one of those from the Dollar Tree to fill in a meeting I had with some of my students. On Wednesday, I started with a to-do list again, filling in a whole bunch of things going on. Pretty much the same kind of things I did every day. I did film a little bit though. And then I put in some today stuff. Again, looking through that Dollar Tree set. So it was Mean Girls Day, so I just filled that out to say that we wear pink. And then I'm looking through another one of those kits from Hobby Lobby. Checked one from Michaels, back to a kit from Hobby Lobby. Trying to find something. I was really struggling. I ended up with this one from American Crafts. And I found a sticker to fill in because I just had a little bit of empty space, so I put down the full box and that sticker. Thursday, I'm starting out with a to-do list, and then I realized as I put down the to-do sticker that I actually meant to put a full box first. So I fixed that and put a full box, then the to-do list, and then follow that up with the today header. Fill in my to-do list again, some more job apps, emails, etc. So then I fill in this box. So I'm looking for what I want to put in. It's my mom's birthday this day, which is actually why I ended up choosing to do this tea theme, because she and I both really love tea. So I found a birthday sticker from one of the Mombi sets and then a heart from the Dollar Tree book. And then I'm filling in just a couple of the meal little things from my kit to say that we went out for dinner and got some bubble tea afterwards. To-do list again on Friday. Pretty much the same kinds of things that I've been doing the entire week. I did do a face mask, which was amazing. So I managed to finish the scarf that I was crocheting, so that was exciting. I found another sticker in that same Mombi set, so I put that down to fill in some space, and then a full box. Saturday I put down another full box, and then I start with the to-do list. So I'm trying to figure out how many to-dos I actually need for Saturday based on my bullet journal. I actually only need 3 items, so I just trimmed down the checkbox list and just fill in the 3 items that I actually had going on. So you can see that there. So we went to the library and to Costco, and then I did some cross stitch in the evening. And then I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to fill in the rest of the day. So I start by filling in my weekend banner. This comes from the kit. So I'm just trying to figure out where to put it here. So I end up deciding to put it at the bottom. So then I need to figure out how to fill in that remaining space. So I put the today header down where the today header goes, and then I start filling everything in. So we went out to eat. So I'm just filling that in. I'm using the heart one because I didn't want two green items right next to each other. And then I followed that up with a green meal thing because we went out for bubble tea again afterwards. We drink a lot of bubble tea. It's a little bit ridiculous. So then I'm figuring out what to do with that space. So I really wanted to find a chicken wing sticker, but I could not find one that would actually work. I've literally flipped through all of the sticker books that I had and trying to find a chicken wing sticker anywhere. Duff's is famous for their buffalo wings, so that's what I really wanted to put in there, but I could not find anything. So I'm just like here trying to flip through everything over and over and not having any success. I looked through the Mombi books, I looked through this book from Michaels, which has cute stickers, but not the right thing. I look through these other sets of Mombi items that I have and look at the backs of them, and I'm like, none of these are going to work. And so I even come back to this Mombi set, which is the seasonal set, and look through all of these items again just to see if I can find like a fall themed item that will work or something from a barbecue. Here you can see me looking through all of these pages and not really finding anything successful. So then I go back to this Agenda 52, which is from Hobby Lobby, and I just pull a sticker that says Delish on it and put that down. And then I pull back out the washi tape that I've been using on the top, and then I just put this little strip of washi tape down over it to fill in that extra space. Use my ruler to tear it. It doesn't tear perfectly, so I try to fix it here, and eventually I just give up and call it close enough. So moving on to Sunday, I'm just pulling open the pages so I can remember what I want my arrangement to be. So I'm using the yellow to-do list again. Sorry, you're a little bit off frame here. Putting in the checkbox list, I need to figure out how many I need. So it turns out I only need 3 again, so I just put the 3 items down. So we went to, I had to do some couponing, and then we went to Michael's, and then I can't even remember the third to do. Oh, I did some cross stitch again. So I did that, and then I put down the header I need for the full box and fill in the last full box I have. So I didn't really have any decisions to make at this point, which was awesome. I really like how it turned out. I tried to alternate between like lighter and darker boxes to kind of balance everything out. And then I put a today header down at the bottom. And you're off frame here, so I'm not exactly sure what I was doing. I know I put a half box down. Oh, and then I was looking for a dinner sticker to put in there. We went out to eat at a new place that we'd never been to before. It just opened, called Seafood Harbor, so I filled that in. And then I had to fill something in the remaining spot, so I just stuck a half box down up there. And I looked through and ended up, this is the Dollar Tree book that I have, and I ended up just pulling a little gold star. I wanted something a little bit sparkly up here again. And we went to the Letchworth State Park Craft Fair, so that is what I filled in there. We spent quite a bit of time there. So yeah, that is what I filled in. I'm going to open this all back up for you again so you can see everything. As you can see, I have a fair amount of stuff left actually for my leftovers. A little bit of wiggle. Bye guys!